Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download and install VMware Fusion Pro 13 on macOS 13 Ventura. This is our macOS 13 Ventura operating system. Now I am going to download VMware Fusion Pro 13. Open web browser. Type google.com. Then press enter. Type in search bar, download, VMware, Fusion, for Mac. Press enter. Click on first VMware official website link, www.vmware.com. Let's click on it. Click on Try Pro for free. VMware Fusion 13 downloading is started. It is 672 megabytes package. It will take some time to download, it's depend on your internet speed. VMware Fusion 13 is downloaded. Let's close web browser. Click on Finder. Click Downloads. Here it is, our VMware Fusion 13 package. Right-click on it. Open with Disk Image Mounter. Let's close Download Console. Double-click to install VMware Fusion. Type ROHIT user password. ROHIT is our admin user on this Mac. Click OK. Initializing VMware Fusion. VMware End User License Agreement. Click on Agree. In this demo lab now I am going to select, I want to try VMware Fusion 13 Professional for 30 days. Click on Continue. Click Open. Thank you for trying VMware Fusion 13 Professional. Click Done. Click OK. As you can see the warning, it will ask, unable to access accessibility for optimal performance of your keyboard and mouse. Inside your virtual machine, give VMware Fusion access to your system's accessibility features. If you do not give the access now, you can go to Security and Privacy System Preferences later. Click OK. Click Open System Settings. Let's drop down little bit. Click Accessibility. Allow VMware Fusion. Type ROHIT user password. Click Unblock. Allow VMware Tools Daemon. Close this console. Close VMware Installer. Eject VMware Fusion. Now this time to create new Windows virtual machine. Click on Create a custom virtual machine. Click on Continue. Here it is, Windows virtual machine templates. I am going to select Windows 11 64-bit machine. Click on Continue. Click Continue again. Type password. Type Verify password. Click on Continue. Create a new virtual disk. Click on Continue. This is our default virtual machine settings. If you want to customize this virtual machine, then click on Customize Settings. It will ask Save Virtual Machine. Click Save. Click Processor and Memory. 2 processor cores is recommended for Windows 11 machine. 4 GB RAM recommended for Windows 11 machine. You can also increase or decrease the RAM. I am setting 2 GB RAM in this machine. Click Close. Click Settings. Click CD/DVD SATA. Here we will give the path of ISO file of Windows 11, because we need physical DVD or ISO to install Windows 11. So let's see how we will give the path of ISO file in this machine. Click Choose a disk or disk image. Now give the path of ISO file where we have placed this file. In this demonstration lab, I did not have any ISO file on this Mac machine. But if it was there, I would have given its path in the same way. Click Cancel. Let's close virtual machine. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to download and install VMware Fusion Pro 13 on macOS 13 Ventura and how to create Windows 11 virtual machine. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.